To create a German short row, knit to the point where you would like to turn your work, making sure that your yarn is hanging down in front of your work. Slip the first stitch purlwise back onto the right needle and bring the working yarn up and over the needle so that this first stitch becomes distorted and both legs are pulled up over the needle, resulting in what looks like a double stitch. Your yarn is now in the right position to continue to knit. When you come to a double stitch in your knitting, work it as though it's one stitch. You may find it helpful to place a marker on each double stitch so that you can make sure that you don't miscount any stitches. Put the needle right through the center so that it goes right through the center of the double stitch, and you'll see these two elongated legs on either side. Knit as usual, and this will make your German short row disappear into the background of your garter stitch.